omEGGa DHA. DHA is well recognized as an essential nutrient. Many nutritional products provide DHA, and DHA can come from various different sources as well as in different forms. DHA can be provided in triglyceride form, ethyl ester form, or phospholipid form. The DHA in the human body is used in the phospholipid form. omEGGa DHA provides DHA in the phospholipid form. DHA is an essential omega-3 fatty acid that is important in people's health. DHA must be acquired through diet because the body is unable to make it alone. The DHA molecule itself is a single fatty acid strand. DHA is unique from other fatty acids because it has 6 carbon double bonds, which causes the molecule to have a kinked shape as opposed to the long, straight shape of other fatty acids. DHA is an abundant fatty acid found in the brain, making up 60% of brain lipids. DHA plays an important role in brain formation and eye formation. DHA helps lower inflammation and improve cell fluidity. Some neurotransmitters, including norepinephrine, depend on cell membrane fluidity. DHA has been shown to improve focus and attention, as well as improve memory and cognitive function. DHA has also helped improve symptoms of depression. DHA helps slow brain aging and atrophy. There are many different commercially available sources of DHA. DHA can be found in fish oil, and it can also be found in algae oil. The problems with fish oil. To get the DHA out of the fish oil, it must be extracted out of the fish. This process involves molecular distillation. This process is needed to remove toxins, pollutants, and heavy metals such as mercury that can accumulate in fish. Most fish oils provide DHA in the triglyceride form. A triglyceride is when 3 fatty acid molecules are bound together. The body doesn't actually use DHA in the triglyceride form. It must metabolize it and change it into a usable form. The triglyceride form is significantly less bioavailable. This is because when a person consumes a triglyceride, it needs to be broken down before it can be used. The liver makes bile, and the gallbladder stores it. Bile must mix with the triglycerides to help break up the fat. People who may have a liver or gallbladder misfunction have a difficult time absorbing DHA in triglyceride form. After the triglyceride mixes with the bile, it goes to the pancreas. The pancreas secretes pancreatic lipase, which further breaks it down before it can be absorbed in the intestine. Metabolism of DHA in triglyceride form requires many steps. The ethyl ester form of DHA is even worse. The ethyl ester form has been shown to be 50 times less bioavailable than the triglyceride form, which is less bioavailable than the phospholipid form. The ethyl ester form is prone to oxidation. This is what causes the fishy taste and smell. Just like the triglyceride form of DHA, the body doesn't actually use DHA in the ethyl ester form. It must metabolize it and change it into a usable form. Phospholipids. Before the body can use DHA, the body must put it together to be used. The body must add the glycerol backbone to the DHA. Then it must add another fatty acid chain, then a phosphate head, and finally a functional group. The functional group can be either choline, ethanolamine, inositol, or serine. The DHA in omEGGa DHA has DHA that is already incorporated into a phospholipid. omEGGa DHA is more bioavailable than the DHA from triglycerides and ethyl esters. Because phospholipids are already polar and can dissolve better in water, they are more readily absorbed, and there is no need for bile before it is absorbed. There is no need for emulsification. There is no need for gastric lipases to break down the DHA molecule. DHA in the phospholipid form has also been shown to have better uptake in the brain than DHA in the triglyceride form. Phospholipids may also enter the blood more readily because they do not need to be cleaved by pancreatic lipases. While phospholipids are sometimes cleaved, phospholipids also have the ability to form micelles and can be absorbed without cleavage. The cell membrane. Cells in the human body have a cell membrane. Phospholipids make up a significant amount of the cell membrane. Most functional DHA in the body is located in the cell membrane. The body does not use the ethyl ester form of DHA nor the triglyceride form. These forms of DHA must be changed before they can be used by the cell. The brain is made up of 30% phosphatidylcholine, 10% phosphatidylethanolamine, 10% phosphatidyl'inositol, 10% phosphatidylserine, 10% lysophosphatidylcholine. omEGGa DHA is 75% phosphatidylcholine, 15% phosphatidylethanolamine, 2.5% lysophosphatidylcholine. All of the DHA in omEGGa DHA is in the phospholipid form.